First at 6 tonight, one of the highest profile cases to hit Gaston County will soon be going quiet.
A gag order has been extended to witnesses in the Joshua Hunsucker case. Now, he's the man accused of killing his wife using Visine drops. It's a case that has caused national media attention, and attorneys say that attention is actually part of the problem. Fox 46's Derek Dellinger has followed the story from the very beginning. He's live outside the Gaston County Courthouse this evening.
Yeah, Derek, does this mean that we likely won't hear anything until the trial starts?
It is starting to look like that. The judge in this case, though, also made a very interesting observation today that what was discussed here in court could also set the stage for a second change of venue motion after the first one was denied.
All right.
At this point in the Joshua Hunsucker case, there's a lot of this, hearings revolving around issues in the case ahead of a trial. But today stuck out mainly because the hearing here addressed the elephant in the room, all the attention the case has received.
If the state of North Carolina was involved, and we're going to find a little bit of that out in connection with the order that you signed yesterday, but I want to know if any detective was involved in conversation.
I have not communicated with any news organization, local, national, radio, print media, anybody at all about this case.
It's a case made for a true crime show. A paramedic accused of using Visine drops to slowly poison his wife. Hunsucker's wife died in 2018. The test results revealing the poisoning coming out nearly a year later. But the defense says that's the crux of it, because it was a case that did wind up on a true crime show, complete with someone with the Department of Insurance talking about the case.
If the state is actively involved in creating certain narratives about this case outside the courtroom, outside the witness chair, if the state is actively involved in helping that narrative happen, that is a due process violation.
The defense says that could taint a jury, and they wanted a gag order on every potential witness that could be coming once the trial starts.
Mr. Tate, this motion is granted.
A judge granted that gag order, but it also means that for now, until it goes to trial, the high profile of this case will have to lay low.
And even though this gag order does apply to what's happening here in Gaston County, it does not apply to what's happening in Mecklenburg County. You might remember Hunsucker is facing separate charges and another case there, a felony burning case where he was accused of setting fire to a medical helicopter mid-flight back in 2019. By the way, a hearing on that is set for next week. Live in Gaston County, Derek Dellinger, Fox 46.
All right, Derek, thank you for that update.